Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the very first video of 2022 and also wish you guys a very happy new year. I hope this year is going to be filled with happiness, success, good health, everything that you wish for. So let me know how was your 2022. Mine was just like any other day that I spent in 2021, like literally there was nothing new that I did. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you my Charlotte Tilbury review. I have these two boxes filled with Charlotte Tilbury, and what a start of the year, I'm just starting off this year with reviewing Charlotte Tilbury. Wow, that is great. Like, I am really excited to be trying out these products because you know what, like Charlotte Tilbury makeup products are raved by so many people, not just YouTubers, but also by so many hot runway models like Victoria's Secret models, and also actors and people like Madison Beer, and everybody has started like they're using Charlotte Tilbury. So I just wanted to see like what the hype is all about, why like so many celebrities, why these gorgeous women love Charlotte Tilbury products, and what is the magic behind her products. So before jumping on to the video, take a moment to subscribe. It's a new year, so let's build this community up. Subscribe, like, share, do all of that. And now let's get started. So first I'm going to be starting off with her magic cream. So I have two creams here. So I have the magic night cream and day cream, but I'm going to be using the famous Charlotte Tilbury's magic cream. I only have the sample size, as you all can see. So again, I'm really excited to try it out. So this is a very thick cream and it smells really nice. So I'm going to take like so much of the product and start massaging it into my skin. So it just feels like a regular moisturizer, but like with moisturizers, you definitely have to give time. You can't say anything about a moisturizer just in like one go, because it's more of like a skincare and also how it performs underneath your makeup. But so far it has given me nice hydration, glow, everything, so I'm liking it. Okay guys, so next let's move on to the Charlotte Tilbury Rescue Cream. Again, I have this sample size. This is like tiny. Again, this is a thick moisturizer. I'm just going to take it on my ring finger like that. Just like apply around my eye. Look at that, you guys. This under eye cream has just made my under eyes look so nice and juicy, and also it has given me such beautiful glow. Before application, my under eyes felt a little dry, but now it just feels so smooth and soft. So yeah, again, I'm really liking this as well. Okay guys, so now let's start off with makeup. So the first product I have over here is the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Okay, it comes in this nice cardboard packaging, and I got the shade number 4. Absolutely love Charlotte Tilbury's packaging. Look at that, you guys. It just looks so nice. In the shade 4, can you see it is a little light for me, but we'll make it work. I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face. So I'm just going to zoom you guys a little closer so you can see clearly how the products perform. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just going to like blend this one in. If you come under like NC 42 to 45, I would say go with shade 5 or 5.5. That would match you perfectly. But look at that, this is giving me again such nice glow to my face. This is the most smoothest looking liquid illuminator that I've seen. I used to love MAC Strobe Cream, but this one, I think it beats that. I have no words for this glow because honestly, even in person, this doesn't look like I have any like highlighting product on my face. It just looks so natural and so smooth. At the same time, it's giving me such beautiful glow onto my face. So next for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 9 Cool. So I have a complete review video on this particular foundation. If you guys want to see, definitely go ahead and watch it. I'm gonna link it down below as well. So I'm just going to take like one full pump. This is a full coverage foundation. You don't need a lot at all. Like just one pump is enough to cover up your entire face. And I'm just going to dot this foundation all over. Taking the same brush, I'm just going to blend this one out. I just love this foundation very much because it just blends out so seamlessly, and also the coverage that you get is beautiful. But there's only one downside to this foundation, that is, if you don't prep your skin well and if you have dry patches, this will definitely cling on to your dry patches. So make sure you're doing your skincare well and using a nice moisturizer so it doesn't happen. My complexion just looks so nice and juicy. I mean, this is exactly what I thrive for in a foundation, like in base makeup, and I just love it. Like, except the fact that the foundation is a little too orangey, other than that, it just looks so gorgeous, you guys. I love this. I love the finish that all the base products is making my skin look like. I mean, I haven't bought Charlotte Tilbury's concealer, so I'm just going to take this Too Faced concealer, this in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply just on my just on the areas where I like to highlight, because this foundation is way too orange for my liking. So yeah guys, that's how my concealer looks like. Absolutely stunning. Guys, so next I'm going to set this under eyes in place, and for that I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and that's how the outer packaging looks like. It comes with a nice mirror. This shade is like way too light for my skin, so we'll see how that performs. Okay, so I'm going to take this Beauty Blender puff, and I'm just going to use this powder on this side of my face. Look at that, on this side of my face. So if it is too light, I'm going to use another. I have medium as well, so we'll first see how this looks. And I'm going to tap the rest like that. And this powder has given me such nice flawless finish. So I also got the shade number 2 medium. So this is how the shade looks like. This looks like a perfect match for me, but we'll see. Again, I'm just going to take on this sponge like that. Okay, so which shade matches me perfectly? Shade number 1 fair or number 2 medium? Like, which is looking good on my skin? I don't know, like shade medium, it's just like blending into my skin, but shade fair is just given such a nice that highlighting effect, which I absolutely love. So I don't know, I'm confused. Let me know what you guys think. So my face just looks so nice and flawless, and it's also like blurred out my pores. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but in person my skin is looking like I have some filter on my face. Like, it just looks so flawless. I'm speechless, you guys. It's so nice. Okay guys, so next we have this Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Bronzer, and I got the shade number 3 Tan. This is how it looks like. I absolutely love the packaging of this one. This has a magnetic closure, so comes with this huge mirror, you guys. It's so good. And this is how the bronzer looks like. I know it looks a little darker, but I was actually confused between this and shade number 2. They're not lying when they're saying it's an airbrush powder. There's something about Charlotte Tilbury complexion makeup products is just giving such a beautiful like that flawless airbrushed effect. And I'm going to take this this tiny brush and just take a light amount, bronze my nose. And again, I'm going to use the same bronzer in my eye socket as well to just give a little bit of a definition. So yeah guys, that's how the bronzer looks like. Again, it has given me such a beautiful flawless finish. It's a little on the warmer side, but it still looks so damn gorgeous. Okay, so next let's move on to blush. So next we have this Cheek to Chic blush, and that's how it looks like. That's the outer packaging. Yeah, I got the shade Love Rush. Again, this is how the packaging of the blush looks like. And yeah guys, you get a mirror, and this is the shade. So you get this light pink and like a Barbie pink shade, again, which is really good. And the way you're supposed to use it is swish and pop. So that's how she says to use it. So I'm again going to apply, on top of my bronzer. So this one is showing up on my skin, but this particular shade is way too light for my skin. But all in all, like, I can just mix them together and I can use it. And I think this one, the center shade, it has a little bit of golden specks as well. It's giving a very subtle glow onto my skin. So again, I like it. So I didn't get any Charlotte Tilbury's, eyebrow products. So I just did my brows behind the camera. Okay, so moving on to eyes, I didn't get her famous eyeshadow quad or anything, but I got this particular, eyeliner from Charlotte Tilbury. This is called as Eye Color Magic Liner Duo, and it's in the shade Copper Charge. So this is how the pencil looks like. One side you get this really pretty, like a reddish shade, and the other side you get this copper, like a gold copper shade. And that's how the liner looks like. So this is the Copper Charge matte, and I'm just going to apply this on my, like lower lash line. That looks so pretty. Okay, so again I'm going to take another color, which is the Copper Charge Metallic, and I'm just going to apply this, on the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so that's how the eyes look like. Oh my god, I just love this liner so much. This shade of, this red color is just so pretty. The metallic shade is also really pretty, and it's also looking very gorgeous, but I think this particular shade is very unique. And look at that intense pigmentation. It is so good, and also it blended out so well. You have to be a little quick with blending. If you want to blend it out, just use it and blend it immediately, or else it's going to set. And once it's going to set, you guys, it's not going to budge, it's not going to move at all. So now let's move on to lips. Now for lips, I didn't buy anything this time, still I got a few of them for free. So let's try out. The first one I have over here is this. It's called a kissing lipstick or something, and this is the the sample size one. It looks really cute. This is in the shade Stone Rose, and that's how it looks like. That's how the shade Stone Rose looks like. It's too, like warm for my liking. It's just like a regular cream lipstick, but it feels very comfortable. Again, it has a really good color payoff as well, because it hid my pigmented lips really well. So again, I have one more Charlotte Tilbury's lip product. It's basically like a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Candy Darling. So this is a gloss. It looks very dark in the tube, but it's definitely not so dark. And this has just toned down that warmthness of that lipstick a little bit. The gloss looks pretty, but it's nothing like, something out of the box amazing or anything. But yeah, it is pretty. Lastly, I have another hype product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Again, I've heard so many people rave about this setting spray. I don't know, it just has a very beautiful scent, and it smells so luxurious. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It just makes your makeup last for a really long time, but it also doesn't contain alcohol. So that is great. So yeah guys, this is the completed look. I know Charlotte Tilbury's brand is a very, it is very expensive. This comes under luxury because the price range is very high compared to a normal like high-end brand too. Even though you're paying so much of money for all the products, I think the packaging, the way it performs, the quality, everything is top notch. If you're confused about whether you should buy these products or not, I would say definitely go ahead, at least try one product, something which you like from today's video. You have to try at least one and see for yourself what I'm talking about. So yeah, that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell. I'll catch you all next time with another interesting video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slimming. Bye guys.